for number 9, we need to figure out how many sides we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know the number of sides is 5. And we would go ahead and use this formula n minus 2 times 180 to figure out how many degrees are total in this figure. So 5 minus 2 times 180, which is 3 times 180, which is 540 degrees. Okay. Step 2 would be to combine your like terms, making up an equation equal to 540. So if I do x plus x plus x plus x plus x, that gives us 5x. And if we add 90, 45, 30, and 35, that gives us 200. And we know this equals 540. So if we subtract 200 from both sides, we get 340. And if we divide that by 5, we get 68 is our x value. For number 10, I'm going to start actually with the y. Base angles are congruent. So if this is 54, this is 54. So I can go ahead and do 7y plus 5 equals 54. And if I subtract 5 from both sides, we would get 49. And if we divide by 7, we get 7. So y is 7. And then it also asks us in part C to find the measure of angle MIL. So MIL. So that means I want to know what this is right here. And you would do that by taking 180 minus the other base angle. So since this base is 54, these are both 54. If I subtract from 180, these are the same as well. So 180 minus 54 gives me 126 degrees. So 126, 54, these are supplementary. They add up to 180. And then to do x, we're going to do the average of the bases divided by 2 equals the mid-segment, which is the middle line here, or middle segment. So I'm going to say 14 plus the 3x plus 16. All that divided by 2 equals the middle, which is 3x plus 6. Alright, so now if I combine this, we've got 3x plus 30 divided by 2. And then that equals 3x plus 6. Now, we can't really take half of 3. I mean, we get a decimal. So what you could do is you could just multiply this side by 2. And then this would cancel here. And we would have 3x plus 30. Equals, and then we would multiply by 2. So that would be 6x plus 12. So then, to solve, we could subtract 12 to both sides, and that would give us 30 minus 12, 18. And if we subtract 3 to both sides, we get 3x. So if we divide by 3, we get x is 6. For x and y, so for a segment xy, if I plug that 6 into this expression and simplify, we would get 18 plus 6, and 18 plus 6 is 24.